Hi guys, it's Risa. So I was at Costco today and No Frills, a grocery store near me, and I bought chicken skewers. I might make a delicious chicken salad, quinoa salad this week, or just have it on its own, or make a stir fry. I love having it. You can throw it in anything because it's already cooked. And tonight we're just going to have a barbecue chicken. Bought a nice big watermelon on sale for $4.99. They got in the Cara oranges at Costco, $9.99. And then I bought some bananas, of course, so I can make some more banana muffins or other deliciousness. Some zucchinis. I might make my zucchini casserole or lemon loaf. You have to try the turkey zucchini burgers, are terrific. I might make more of those. And I bought some cucumbers on sale, 87 cents. Some green grapes, my daughter loves them. Some more peppers to make my salads nice and colorful. I like them colorful for my stir fries, for anything. I even put them in my burgers. And more chickpeas to make hummus. We've been going through hummus a lot lately, enjoying that as a good healthy snack, low fat, high protein, and love my cereal for a half a cup is only one smart point. And what I really like about it is it's low in sugar as well. So only 2 grams of sugar for 1 cup. I know it's in French. Anyways, so that's what I bought today. And I hope this is helpful for you guys when you're meal prepping and thinking about things that you want to make for the week. Okay? Take care. Hope this is helpful. Remember, Risa Weiner YouTube. Subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you're making with your ingredients.